Hello friends, today's topic is stress during interviews. Now, stress during interviews is quite a major challenge for a lot of people. They are not able to perform as per their potential primarily because of the stress factor. Now, you got to understand what exactly is the trigger for the stress. It could be that, sir, what if they ask me questions which I don't know? And then I would be caught on the wrong foot. I'll be saying, sir, I do not know this answer. I do not know this answer. It will be very embarrassing. Trust me, there is no one in the world who can actually answer each and every question in an interview. Sometimes someone asks me, how comfortable are you with accounting standards? And I asked him, sir, it completely depends on the question. So tell me, what is the question that you're going to ask me? And the interviewer said, super smart. That's the approach which I want. So the trigger for the stress could be that there could be questions which you do not know an answer of. It's perfectly fine not knowing the question's answers as long as you're honest and you're not beating around the bush. The second trigger and the most important trigger is the fact that you desperately need the job. Now, whether it's a 20,000 rupees job or a 20 lakh rupees job, you could be very, very desperately needing the job. Your finances could be in bad shape, you could be unemployed, this is COVID, you've been laid off. But then the fact of the matter remains that no one is going to employ you just because you need that job. They're going to employ you only when they feel that if they are going to pay you 10 lakh rupees per annum, they are going to get value which is more than 10 lakh rupees per annum. It's a complete trade off. So you have to think of yourself as a seller of services and the interviewer is the buyer of services. As long as the interviewer feels that he's going to make profit from you, he's going to say, yes, I'm going to hire this in the world. Trust me, no one in the world will hire you because you desperately need the job. They're going to hire you for their reasons. And since it's a transaction, why not go into that transaction with a lot of confidence and say that, yes, my services are worth in fact more than 10 lakh rupees per annum. Why not go out there and present that kind of confidence and win the interview? So don't go out there with a my bad kind of a thing. Sir, please desperately give me the job. I really need it. Don't ever let anxiety get the better of you and ruin your performance. You know, Sachin Tendulkar, he has never really performed well in Wankhede Stadium. Why? Because the pressure gets to him that he really needs to perform on that occasion. Hence, it's my earnest request, find out your trigger for stress during interviews and realize that the employer needs you as much as you need the employer, right? Because you look at companies, consulting firms, if they don't have consultants, what will they sell to the clients? Nothing, right? So you are an important asset to them. And if you're valuable, they're going to hire you. Go out there with this mantra and I'm sure you're going to rock.